the kettlebell swing. Stand about an arm's length away from the kettlebell. Drop your hips, keeping your shoulders, hips, knees square to the front. Most of the weight back on your heels. Reach and grab for the kettlebell. Break the kettlebell away from the floor. We're going to drive the kettlebell through the hips. Thrust through, locking hips and knees, bringing the kettlebell up, shoulder height. When we end, the kettlebell goes back through the legs and lands safely without putting any pressure on the back. Let's look at that from the side view. Kettlebell swing.